and the birds. Let's see how the white cat get the bird for prey. The white cat attack the bird and every birds scattered in the river. And the white cat take position and target one particular bird and later got it for prey. The white cat is a very fast and targetable achieving animal that target any prey and get it easily because he have the skills. The white cat is quick and prompt in attacks. The white cat has got the bird, the waterfowl, and is going with it. He's going with the waterfowl. And the most surprising thing, he got the waterfowl and still get another one again. Like he control two. So the white cat is a very fast animal. So these are other birds that exist in the river side. And you can see their nature. They will not let me call their names. But before the end of this content, please try endeavor to subscribe to my channel, engage, and keep us encouraged to do more. Thank you for watching. These are our other birds that are in the state of reproduction. This white bird is called the peregrine, and this is it going to the river to swim because he's a waterfowl. He swims in the river. Can have the swim very well in the river. He is called the waterfowl. He swim and flies, do everything inside the river. You can see he's swimming already. He's called the waterfowl. He's inside the river and he's doing as if he's swimming on the air. He can exist both. He's just a amphibious animal. He can exist both in water, land, and the air. So the fowl swims as deep as anything to get their prey. This is a food chain. The cat get the fowl for a prey, and the fowl get the fishes for a prey. It's going to feed his baby right now. It's coming to feed their babies. You can see it flying fast and fast and fast and faster. And now the peregrine falcon is going after this fowl. The waterfowl. This is the food chain. Let's see what will happen. The peregrine falcon have get the fowl. Waterfowl. The waterfowl later went down because he's scared of the peregrine falcon. The waterfowl was surprised because he was not expecting the attack launched by the peregrine falcon towards his direction. So he went down to the river to rest. Very quick attack. So the peregrine falcon keep flying because he missed the attack anyway. Then the waterfowl keep flying also to feed his baby, and the dogfowl keep also flying, but the peregrine falcon attack the waterfowl and get its target and weak the waterfowl. And this waterfowl will start flying because they have already regained his strength. And the peregrine falcon start going after the waterfowl. The peregrine falcon is flying very faster. It will later get this waterfowl for a prey because it's very close to it. The waterfowl escaped. Waterfowl escaped at their speed. They became faster in their soaring. It added this speed. The waterfowl escaped. So please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. The waterfowl kept swearing and brought the food for their babies in the nets. And